Going to Melbourne City. I think we are there already. 2 minutes away from our destination. Yeah. A Chan Beauty in the house. Coffee shot boy in the house. And Uber in the house.
Uber in the house. Brother? Yeah,
You mean this part?
yeah, that part.
Yeah?
You should have said that long time ago. So how do I find it on TikTok?
The name is there.
Je moet de titel kijken.
Hey, thank you, man.
Uh-oh. We are right.
Thanks driver. We have arrived at our destination. I guess this is Melbourne right now.
Yep. Most of the part, though, the other part for the way. Mama, you. Oh, so you know come you can come, right? So then go keep on driving. But you don't need to walk around. You can just walk around. Oh, Papa.
Well, let me show them the location. This is where we are. Can we do outfit check? Let's do outfit check.
What kind of outfit check?
Who wants to go first? Hey, what you have going on?
I don't even know what I wore.
Slippers, some
Slippers
matching
from-
skirts.
What is it? I don't know where the slippers from. I don't know where the skirt from. I know where this is from. It was from Kmart.
Oui.
And the hair is from, I don't know, but it's 100% human hair.
As you can see,
It's from Mega Look. The hair is
Mega
from
Look?
Yes.
okay.
100%. And the beauty from my mom
Uh-huh.
and my dad. And God.
And God, what about you? Where's the shoes from?
The
Eh?
shoes is from.
Jace on my feet. Jace on my feet.
Wait.
So good like me. Okay. Jace and the pants?
The pen straight OG from Africa.
Africa, okay.
Yeah.
The polo?
motherland. This one is from here.
Australia. Bag.
Oh. Back.
Wexia. What brand is that?
I think a Chinese brand. but look
Chinese
good.
brand, straight out of China. The face?
Is that how you do it? You didn't even do it complete.
The face is from where?
You're supposed to
Oh,
ask questions.
the
Let's
face.
stand at the right
I'm
spot.
having a conversation right
Only
now.
standing
I'm
on the ground is-
interacting.
You are not
The
interacting.
glasses,
This
the
face
hat.
was made in the image of God. So, you know.
The glasses from where?
Oh, the glass is straight from the Netherlands. It's good.
Okay.
It's fresh.
The hat?
Hat is from here. Same as the t-shirt. Same store.
Okay, now me.
You're confused also.
Alright. Slippers is from the Netherlands. I don't know short. The two sets
It's
is
from-
what is the name called? Some shop in the Netherlands. The bag is from
Gucci.
the same shop.
Gucci,
The hair is
Prada.
from AliExpress. Yeah, that's it. The
And,
beauty is
and the hat.
Don't forget the beauty. Where's the beauty
from-
from?
the beauty is from Mama.
And daddy.
I got it from
And
my
God.
mama. Yes. Mommy and daddy and God. Yeah. So, and the nyas is from
AliExpress.
That one is from Shein.
the nyas is from AliExpress.
It's from
You
Timo.
get-
This one Nyas is from Timo. You get what you get.
Yes.
We don't complain. We don't judge.
We watch and we don't judge.
No.
Okay, let's go. Where am I going? Bridge.
I want to go to Nandos and eat something. I'm hungry.
Where is Nandos? Okay. Trying some Nandos for the second time. I forgot to film the first time I tried Nandos.
But the thing is, Mirwa, I think they have to go through that. There's a bridge somewhere.
Okay. There's bridge somewhere. Chalo bibi. Oh bibi na ya. Bini pori maya. Kau ada orang ikan ya? Orang tiba. Ini. Southbank, Yarra River. Hi everyone, how are you all doing today? Thanks for returning to the video. So in this episode we have reached the Melbourne City and we are touring around, just exploring the city. This was actually on the 1st of January 2025 with New Year, actually New Year's Day. So after the conference meeting we have a day in between. The 1st of January there was no event on that day, so we decided to go to the city downtown and just explore around and not just be in one place. So yeah, we went into the city even though we didn't know where we are going. We find our ways. We went to the Nandos. You will see in the next clips later how we tried the Nandos place. And here we were still just walking, enjoying some music. There was a song in the background. As you can see, the way I'm walking, I'm dancing. There was a music on the background. But obviously I can't use that clip. I can't use that sound like on YouTube. It will detect copyright issues and we are trying to avoid copyright. So that's why I have to do the voiceover. I hope you guys will like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your thoughts downstairs in the comments section. Thank you for engaging on the video always. And let me know if I should keep posting the vlogs or other things. Yeah. And the conference video is still coming, so stay tuned.
Huh? Table number 2.
I think it was one number 3.
And then number 2 is 2 tables.
gonna do?
Timo weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you check out? But
What up?
how do you check out? Yeah, validate order. What does that mean? Validate order.
What do you mean? Each has
Pay
guest.
it immediately? What is it said validating order? Yes, please. Okay, I'm on the phone.
Yeah. Yeah, but I don't need order. It's not order.
Second time trying Nandos. Hoeveel zit hier voor jou? Ben je al eerder geweest? Wanneer?
24 keer hier, wat?
Vorige keer?
2 jaar terug.
Oh. 1 keer of 2 keer geweest?
2 keer volgens mij. We'll be sleeping.
Okay, so our food is here. Half chicken with rice. Yuska has chicken with sweet potatoes.
Half chicken with sweet potato.
And this one have to wait.
No food though.
Wait for your turn.
You want a hot one? Yeah.
Megan?
Yeah, it's not there.
A tissue better, Megan?
Yeah. Maybe I should go get there. I should go get it from there.
Yeah.
I'll be enough.
Chicken, eating chicken with spoon, I see.
Nice, eh?
Sweet potato.
Yeah. Me, I love sweet potato. They're finishing my food.
By taking one.
Yes. Not the whole half of the kidney.
Thank you.
I'll bring you to the cutlery.
That's what they're talking about.
I need to get one back. The one you chop.
Wait, is there a sink water?
I don't know.
It tastes like it.
Come on, I can't put it for you. Oh, you made all this potato?
You'll be in hot.
Yeah, hot one.
Kanya? Lustri bar. I'm so serious. Pianamania. Okay. Okay. Oh, don't. I can't remember. I told I need tall my bone, and check. Where are you going? I'm not doing more.
That's why to confirm. All right.
That's it. Thank you.
Wait. Janine, why Richard?
Manan.
Yeah, I'm group. You need to log in, but why I'm creating a group. Ane.
I'll just send it.
Yeah.
You guys figure out yourself.
Create group. Bring your go.
No.
Oh,
Ben çok iyi duyuyorum.
So we have to go back.
Open.
Open with you, no?
Oh.
We have to go back.
I feel like in Australia, it gets dark so soon, around 5 or 6, like it's already very dark outside. But in the Netherlands, around 6 and 7 and 8, it's still very light outside. The sun is still up. Our sun goes down around 9-10 p.m. So here it was really a night, but then it wasn't that late yet. And then it was a nice day, a good day. I would rate it 10 out of 10 plus 10. With Jessica and Richard. Yeah, we enjoyed as far as we could. And now heading back to the hotel. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye bye.